Hello everyone and welcome back to our Tai Chi Yang Level 1 course. We're close to the end. I hope this has been a very fruitful journey for you. If you made it this far, well, you can say you are a person with discipline, because only a person with discipline would be able to make it this far, doing week by week, one step at a time, and uniting the steps. So congratulations to you, and I hope these two final classes, maybe we'll have an extra class where I show how the practice goes, but for now the two classes with the two last steps, they're relatively simple, so just pay attention and glue it all together, okay? So in our previous class, we made it this far. You know, I always adjust by doing 45 degrees, heel with no weight at a fist distance, point with no weight, change the weight, belly button forward, and here was the last position because we just did Pong, Lu, Chi, An. Now, what do I do now? Simple. This hand is going to do an arch, and I'm going to look at the hand as I do the arch. So, left hand stretches, that's one, and right hand does an arch. But the interesting part is, as the right hand does an arch, my left foot is going to twist towards the corner of my diagonal. So how does that look? I'm here, I'm going to do stretch, hand goes up, I do the arch, and then towards the corner. And now I'm looking at the corner, okay? Very good. So if you saw my feet, what is the leg work? The leg work is just one foot, the other foot, okay? So I'm actually in an arch walk now, but towards the corner. My belly button is forward. This foot is 90 degrees, so it's straight in this direction. And this one is 45 degrees in this direction. So it's an arch walk. But now it's in this direction. So this is arch walk in this direction. Arch walk 45 degrees to the corner. What do my hands do? Simple. This hand stretches, this one goes here. And that's the whole movement. Isn't that cool? Okay? That's today's class. So we're here, we do 1, 2. That's what you would practice for one whole week. Let's do it again. So where do I come from? So I was here. I did needles from C bottom, the fan. I twisted. I came here. This was last week's class. 1, 2, now I do Pong, Lu, Chi, and I do Whoa. Okay? And I look at the corner. Inhale, exhale, swallow saliva. Okay, I'll do just today's class. Today's class is very simple. 1, 2, and that's the flight of the bird. Okay, hands should be open. It's up to here. From here I inhale, I don't move my heel, I just move, inhale, exhale, swallow saliva. Okay? Thank you very much for being in this class. I will see you next week with closing, sealing and closing. Okay? Have a great week.